Hi, ADOM fam, Rita Zamora here, and I hope that you'll register for my course this fall entitled High Touch Social Media, Succeeding in a New Dental Era. Let's talk about how we can use social media to make your dental life easier, and also how you can use social media to help reduce patients' anxieties and increase their patient satisfaction. So we're going to be talking tips and techniques on how you can make social media management easier, more effective, more efficient, and help you to grow stronger relationships with your patients. It's never been more important than now. And also how you can use social media to grow those procedures that your dentist wants to be doing more of, or your specialist. So whether it's dental implants or clear aligner therapy, let's talk about how you can use social media in a better way, especially for this new dental era that we're entering. I hope you'll bring your questions, and I look forward to seeing you there.